After entering the 3D printer market in 2016 with its 3DWOX line of printers, Korea-based Sindoh, an industry leader with decades of experience in the design and manufacturing of office automation equipment, continues to enhance, improve, and iterate on its 3DWOX line with the release of their latest model named the 3DWOX1. Dubbed the One for Everyone, the 3DWOX1 is a user-friendly and reasonably affordable fused filament fabrication 3D printer that combines a sporty, polished design with competitive specs and rock-solid build quality. This new flexible heated magnetic metal build plate not only provides a stable base for quality printing, but also affords the ability to flex and bend the plate to ease print removal without the use of dangerous scrapers, blades, or other tools. But the 3DWOX1 takes a big leap for Sindoh, now allowing open source filaments to be used along with the proprietary chipped filaments. Other notable features of the 3DWOX1 include automated Sindoh filament cartridge loading, assisted load and unload of open source filaments, assisted bed leveling, a HEPA filter for safe, clean operation, a quiet library noise level of approximately 45 dBA, a 5-inch full-color touchscreen, remote monitoring over LAN via the onboard web camera with internal LED lamp, very capable Sindoh desktop slicing software, in my opinion, the 3DWOX1 is, to date, the most user-friendly and best turnkey 3D printing solution for the masses. The 3DWOX1 lives up to its moniker of the one for everyone.